Hey guys, how's it going? So by this time, I hope that you guys have already received your $1,400 stimulus check. Now, if you're fortunate enough to have an emergency account and you are current on all your bills and you don't hold any interest, on your credit card, so you don't have any credit card debt, then consider investing your stimulus check money in the stock market. But I would not recommend investing in individual stocks. Instead, you should consider a more diversified investment option that minimizes your risk exposure. So in today's video, I will talk about 4 Vanguard ETFs that can potentially double your stimulus check if you invest them right now in these funds. So let's get started. This video is sponsored by Skillshare, an online learning community where you can find thousands of high quality classes on various subjects, including investing and personal finance. To get your 14 days free access to all Skillshare classes, click on the link in the video description below. Coming in at number 4 is Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, whose ticker is VOO. If you invest and hold $1,400 in this ETF, you are practically guaranteed to make money in the long run. This fund tracks the S&P 500 index, which measures the performance of top 500 largest companies in America. Buying VOO makes you an automatic investor in all these 500 companies, including big guns like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon, Tesla. So all these big companies, you will have a piece of these companies if you buy this ETF. Now, historically, S&P 500 has always produced positive returns in the long run. So if you buy and hold an S&P 500 fund at any time in the history, never once would you have lost your money in the long run. Now, this ETF has an expense ratio of only 0.03%, which translates to a fee of 42 cents on your $1,400 investment every year. So that's like nothing. So if you had invested $1,400 in this ETF last year, you would have grown your investment to $2,331 by now. Moving on, coming in at number 3 is Vanguard FTSE Emerging Market ETF. So the ticker for this ETF is VWO. This ETF invests in more than 5,000 stocks across 23 developing nations, including China, Taiwan, India, Brazil, and South Africa. Its expense ratio is only 0.1%, which means if you invest $1,400 in this fund, you will pay $1.40 in fee. Now, investing in emerging markets can be risky because of political instability and regulation. But considering that 85% of the world's population lives in emerging market now, I think it's a safe bet. If you are taking a long-term focus, investing in this emerging market ETF offers a serious growth potential for your third stimulus check. Now, had you invested your $1,400 in this ETF last year, your investment would have grown to over $2,354. Coming in at number 2 is the Vanguard Growth Fund ETF. The ticker is VUG. So this ETF offers a solid way to invest your stimulus check if you are willing to take little more risk in exchange for higher returns. VUG tracks an index called CRSP US Large Cap Growth Index. So it is very similar to the S&P 500 index, but it focuses on 257 stocks which are identified as growth stocks. So essentially you are investing in the faster growing half of the S&P 500. Now the expense ratio is very low, it's 0.04%. So that means you will be paying a fee of only 56 cents for 1 year investing, $1,400 in this ETF. It should come as no surprise that VUG ETF is heavily concentrated in the tech sector compared to S&P 500 funds. So for example, tech funds account for 47% of its holding compared to 27% for a generic S&P 500 fund. Now a $1,400 investment made in VUG last year would be worth over $2,544 today. But note guys, tech stocks have soared a lot in the past 1 year and now they seem to be cooling off. So you need to calibrate your expectations if you are seeking high returns immediately. And coming in at number 1, it's Vanguard Small Cap ETF. Its ticker is VB. So the expense ratio of this ETF is only 0.05%, which translates to an annual fee of about 70 cents on your $1,400 investment. This ETF invests in small cap companies which typically have a market cap between $300 million to $2 billion. Smaller companies tend to offer higher returns in exchange for slightly higher risk. So if you are comfortable taking little bit of risk, I think this is a nice fund to earn greater returns. With this ETF, you will have the opportunity to invest early in a future giant company and reap the rewards. Now, obviously not all small companies will make it big, but the ones that do will fetch you very high returns. Vanguard's small cap ETF allows you to invest in over 1,426 stocks of smaller companies. But note that many of these companies are not really small cap. since the median market cap is about $5.9 billion. Now, had you invested $1,400 in this fund last year, you would have more than $2,895 sitting in your account today. So guys, these are the top 4 ETFs that will help you grow your stimulus check. I hope you guys found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to Technopanda Money for more videos like this. Also check out my main channel. It's called Technopanda, and it's where I review tech gadgets, mostly gaming laptops and other PC accessories. So if you are into tech gadgets, I think you will like this channel. Again guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.